heyitsfei. I know the shelf behind me is crooked. That's because my sister and I put it together and we're like 5 feet, alright. You can't even tell. Once again, I'm gonna disclaim because some of y'all want to attack me about being body positive. Oh, me.
If you're body positive, why do you always try such tight clothes that just shows off your tatas?
The purpose of this haul is to show you how Asian sizes differ. It's fun trying on clothes that suit my own aesthetic. So what if it shows off my chesty besties? Go away. So be it. I can express my body however the fuck I want. So thank you very much. Oh. And yes, I know most of these clothes from Asia are tighter and smaller. Hence why I'm showing you how a one size in Asia, one size fits onto my mid-sized body, a size 8 in America. So if you don't like, I want you to take your 2 last brain cells, rub them really hard together until it sparks a fire, and realize you can walk away. Listen, Linda, this is so see-through, so yes, I put tissue paper on, okay? But hey, at least it's covered. How the hell am I supposed to wear this? I wear it out. I tried these. It's like I ordered a slice of pepperoni on the side. Miss Fupa? Is that you? How long this string is? I'm a dragon slayer. I am extremely bloated. Is that an excuse? No. But because I'm not pregnant and Mother Nature is here, I'm using it as an excuse. You can probably see my patty. Oh my god. I like that I can close it up. Give me that cinch cut. Let muffins live. This is so bad. And tied around your tummy. Why else would it be 6 foot long? Just ignore my fupa for real. Actually don't. If you have a fupa, I want you to like this video. Hey, at least I'll know how many fupas are here. How do you like now? This is so see-through. My pepperonis are dark. A thong? But then what covers this? Like what? It's doable if it weren't showing my tatas and my tacos. Because it's so see-through, like how? Anyone need a tissue? This could have been a perfect spring summer fit, but it's too see-through. Like we would be Gucci and the Hoochie, but we're not Gucci and the Hoochie, so. See, this is more me. You're gonna see this color reoccur in this haul. I feel like in colder seasons, it's so hard to find like cute pieces, but look at this top. This long sleeve is less of a bright sky blue. It's a lot more like a mauve. There are faux buttons here. You can't actually snap them apart, which is great. Once upon a time, she wore a button-up shirt and it just snapped open on its own. So traumatizing, yeah. We have open slit sleeves right here. It gives character, a fun, flirty kind of way. Once again, I'm very obsessed with this lining open cinching here because it just makes your body look a little bit more like, you know? I will say if you have a longer torso, it might be like really cropped on you. Moving on to this skirt, sporty skirt. There are shorts underneath. I love the length and I like this open flow right here. There's enough space to adjust to how wide your muffin top is. If you have big cheeks, be mindful, but I don't, so I am not mindful. I don't know if this is on purpose, but there is like a little bit of a draping here. It could just because it's rolling up. Yeah, I think it's because it's rolling up. I need to go buy more. Oh, it has this pocket on the side. Put your phone or whatever. You know these sporty mini skirts are really in right now. It has been really trendy. Just wear athleisure out and like very cute. Dude, I'm gonna wear this out to play basketball or something and just be like, just remember that I'm 5 feet tall and it's already very short on me. Do with that information what you will. So I put on this skirt from Lip Hop. It's a little tight, can you tell? It's like a little pencil skirt. It has like a little peplum down here. Flariness that you can't tell because it's twine. Look, can you see? Pushing and gushing all of my cookies up. I ate one too many cookies in outfit. I really like the length of this skirt, although it lifts up at the back. Oh, my fat ripped that. Yeah, it lifts up at the back, as I was saying. At least it blends in my muffin top. My underwear is cutting my circulation off, if you can see right here. Cute. If you're actually sitting here watching this like, ugh, why would she wear that? Just for reference, I am a size 8 USD. This is to all the haters. Oh shit, Faye. I wanted to look like her. Look at me. Look at her. Look at me, look at her. I'm out here looking like her baskin. I mean, on the bright side, at least the tummy rolls kind of blend into the stripes and the rolls itself. My leopard prints are very big. You know why? And they're stretched out. You know why? Because it's tight. I was convinced I can look like her. I'm not saying it's bad on me. It's just I have no shape. Is that my fault or the dress's fault? It's my fault. It's my mom's fault. No butt in this. Not a fatty. She's a flatty. Look at my stripe. Careful, your underwear might come out like mine. Okay, I've talked about this before and I'm not gonna make this taboo at all. So if you're a girl, just listen up. You know how like sometimes you have a poofy hoo-ha? We called it chubs. Just here to report my chubs, the poof is still there. The print of this dress, there's so much going on. The poof just looks camouflaged. Let there be camo. I'm actually surprised this tightly fits on me as a bodycon dress for like Korean body standards. Let's not act shocked here. They're skinny. We know that. I guess I'm only saying Korean standards because it is a Korean brand. Homegirl wore it and she was fine, so I guess I'll say for skinny girls. I'm here to just show you how it fits on my body shape, my body type. I'm stout, stubby, mid-size, and like a thick girl. I have chubs everywhere. I'm not saying I'm skinty. Look at this. I already know what some of you guys are gonna say. You look pregnant. I don't care. This is just an oversized dress shirt in black from Leopard. I love the fit of this. I would totally wear this out with like high thigh boots and just call it like a day. Look how sexy it makes your thighs look. Oh my god, this is like a classic piece you have to have in your wardrobe, I feel like. Okay, here's a trick I used to do. You want to skip a button. I meant realign it by skipping a button. So it's like uneven. And then you kind of throw it over your shoulder. You have to pair it up with like jeans. It's just sophisticated. The quality of this dress shirt is amazing. Kind of light, but it has structure. So it's not just like flapping everywhere. As you can tell, it holds itself up. Oh my god, it's like the perfect length too. Lots to say about this one. So look at the model. Look at me. It's like a bikini. I have too much spillage. It doesn't make it like flattering at all. It's surprising. The cut is so boxy. It has this floral lace, thin straps. The straps kind of feel very styrofoam. Imagine if these straps decided that my boobs were its 13th reason. And moving on. Here's the skirt. That's a skort. There are shorts underneath and it's so uncomfortable. The cut of the skirt is actually really cute. It has like these two little snippets here. The fupa's out, the muffin top's out, the underwear line's out. Like it's just a weird tracing. This might scare ya, but this is bad. What in the world? This skirt really said, let me seatbelt her in. It cuts me up like a sausage. No, thank you. I feel like I'm wearing a cup. Some things I can roll with, some things I just know that it's not me. So, men underwear is what it looks like. This is the last piece, and there are these dressy dress pants. Oh my god, it's cutting my circulation. Just tone up for summer, babe. You'll be fine. Super lightweight and cute. It's too tight, and if you don't believe me, which I know you do, here's just more proof. It jambalayas my sausage rolls. Look at the back. Ooh. Look at the side. Ooh. Poke it with the needle. It's too tight. Not on purpose. Hater, gator. I really like the flare right here that carries out throughout. On the bottoms, you can't see. Yes, you will. Super flowy. Look at this. Nice and light, you know what I mean? At least you don't have to suck in your tummy because it's so flowy. We just have to figure something for the top part right here. You will have to steam your pants because it is wrinkly. It's like long, but not too long. What if you just wear them like this? What if this is a style? It is actually a style. People just unbind their pants. I feel like everyone has to have at least one of these pair of pants in their closet. And that is it for today's try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed these Asian one sizes on my mid-size, non-Asian standard size body. I had a lot of fun filming this and I'm starting to find that joy again, so I'm excited. Again, like this video if you have a fupa. Welcome to the Fupa Fam. Yes, that's our new label for 2022. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't